In this video, I am going to show you how you can sign out your iCloud or Apple account from your iPad or iPhone. So let's see how we can do this thing. At first, we need to tap on the settings. Once we tap on the settings, we'll see this type of screen. Now, from the settings window, we have to go on the left side top. Top side, we'll see our username or our full name is there. So we have to tap it over there. And once we tap it, it will bring this type of screen. From the right side of this screen, we'll see at the bottom there is sign out button. We just need to tap it over there to start sign out. And once we tap it, it is asking us to put the password for my existing Apple ID. So we just need to type it over there. That means we need to type our password over here. Once we type the password, we have to tap on turn off, which is on the top right corner over there. Once we tap it over there, it will bring this screen. Here we can tap on sign out button and then it is bringing another screen. Are you sure? We have to press one more time sign out this button, and once we press this sign out button, it will start sign out of my account and it will take some time. Once the sign out is successful completely, then this screen will be invisible and you will see again that type of button like sign in to your iPad. You will see this type of thing, or sign in to your iPhone. And if you tap it over there, it will bring you the menu to sign in. And that's it. In this way, we can easily sign out from our iCloud email or Apple account.